If you're starting an online store, now's the best time. Shopify is offering a 3-day free trial. No credit card required, then just $1 per month for the next 3 months on any plan. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code. On the page, enter your email and hit Start Free Trial. No payment info needed. Answer a few quick questions about your business, or skip them. You'll be taken straight to your Shopify dashboard. Let's go over the main plans available, all included in the promo. The basic plan is perfect for solo entrepreneurs. You get a full online store, unlimited products, 10 inventory locations, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, and app access. The Grow plan is ideal for small teams, getting all basic features plus 5 staff accounts, professional reports, and lower transaction fees. Advanced plan is for scaling businesses. You get 15 staff accounts, advanced analytics, real-time shipping rates, and enhanced support. The Plus plan is built for large businesses. It includes up to 200 inventory locations, unlimited staff accounts, high-volume checkout, wholesale features, and 24/7 priority support. You can upgrade or downgrade plans anytime. No long-term contracts. There are 2 additional options too. Starter plan is made for social selling. It includes 2 inventory locations and supports in-person sales via phone or POS. Retail plan is made for physical retail. It includes 10 inventory locations and 1 POS Pro location. Let's walk through setting up your store. Step 1. Choose a theme. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Go to Theme Store. Pick a free or paid design, preview it, and publish. No coding required. It's that simple. Step 2. Add your products. Click Products and Add Product. Upload images, write a title and description, set pricing, and organize inventory. Step 3. Customize your store. Use the drag and drop editor to change layout, colors, fonts, and upload your logo. It's simple and beginner-friendly. Step 4. Explore apps. The Shopify App Store lets you add email marketing, reviews, upsells, and more. Install only what you need. Step 5. Go to Settings. Set up payments, shipping, tax rates, and checkout options. These must be set before launching. Every plan includes unlimited products, free hosting, mobile optimization, and SSL. No setup fees. You can cancel or switch plans anytime. Your store won't go live until you choose a plan, but you can explore everything during the free trial. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code. 3 days free, then $1 a month for 3 months. If you want step-by-step help, check the full setup tutorial linked below. Good luck building your store.